Right, so this unit not keeping up when it gets 90, and one thing, it's got the right piston in it in the coil, but it just won't keep up. It gets above like 85, 90, it won't keep up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a TXV in it. So this is supposed to go here, but we're going to put it right here. Hopefully I'll be able to get a cutter in there. It's looking slim. Give it a little bend. And I already, what I did is I got another piece, this is 7/8. I got a 3/4 one. I pinched the end and welded it shut. Oh, she's walking. I already pumped it down. It doesn't want to cut. There we go. We'll grab the piece. Before we do that, let's get this piston out of here. Oh, there it goes. It's still got the Teflon on it. Seems great. There we go.
How's your finger?
It's not bleeding all over. Taped it up really good. I don't know, I just caught something sharp on something over here. I don't know what it was. I mean, it sliced it pretty darn good.
Maybe the edge of that cover.
Okay. TXV bulb. I just got to re-insulate, put the door back on. Let me get that done. Get this thing in a vacuum. Alright, we're back up and running. Subcoating's a little low, it's at 1.6. It's at 1.6, so we're gonna add some refrigerant to this thing. Been running for, I don't know, 10 minutes now. Let's get her up to, I don't know, 10, right around there, 7. She ain't that short. That up. I'm gonna put a few more ounces in it. Alright, so I got 10 degrees. Superheat's bouncing a little. See how this rolls, but I'm pretty sure I can do an adjustment if I needed to bring the superheat up some. Okay, the reason why I changed that is because I could not, it seemed like, and the reason why I started looking into it, it seemed like it was flooding the coil, like the coil temperature was too high. I can't remember the pressures I had last time, but my pressures were good this time. My temperature coming out of the vents was better. So, and I also lowered the fan speed on it too. I did achieve that 10 degrees of subcooling, you know, take or give a few degrees. It was bouncing up and down, but it seemed to be running cooler. So it's going to be like 86 degrees today. We'll find out. And it also had like 65% humidity in the house too, but it was only 71 degrees. So we'll see what happens. I'm assuming this is gonna take care of the situation, which I'm pretty sure it will. Usually when I take a piston out and put a TXV in, it gets rid of that high coil temperature problem. It's just got to run and cycle some air through the system and get that humidity down. So that's it for this one. Just a quick, short, all the video I could get, and we are on to the next one. Don't forget, hit up the GoFundMe, the Venmo, the Zelle, the Amazon wish list for my son going through cancer. He appreciates everything. He's got a few things off the Amazon wish list, and it just made his day. So, and I will see you on the next one.